Welcome to 365 Technologies Tech Tips. Today, we're going to show you how to use Microsoft Forms in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Forms is an application that's part of Microsoft 365. You can use Microsoft Forms to collect feedback, create quizzes, and polls. To use Forms in a Microsoft Teams channel or chat, if you haven't already, you'll need to download the application. There are two ways to do this. Click the plus icon at the top or the apps icon at the bottom left. You'll need to search for the Forms app. Type in Forms in the search bar, select it, and then choose the drop-down arrow to add it to a team or chat. I'm going to add it to a team. A search bar appears and you can type in the team or channel you want to add the Forms app to, and then click Setup. If you've already created forms, you can click on Add Existing Form, select the form, and bring it into Teams. You'll note at the bottom, Post to the channel about this tab is selected. This automatically posts a conversation thread to the Channels tab. This alerts all your team members that there is something new in the channel. I'm going to create a new form. Give your form a name. Select Save. At the top of the channel, you'll see the new tab that was created. If you select the tab's drop-down arrow, you can rename or remove the form. Start by selecting Add New, and then select the type of question you want to add. You can do multiple choice, text, rating, or a date. The More menu gives you further options including ranking, Likert, file upload, Net Promoter Score, and section. Let's set up our form. I'll start with a text response question. Full name. There are two options at the bottom. You can turn on long answer if the response needs more space, or required if the questions require a response. You'll also note at the top of the questionnaire there are 4 icons: copy, delete, move question up, and move question down. I'm going to make this question required. Next, I'll create a radial response question. Again, select Add New. Next, I'll add the question, can you attend our annual golf tournament on August 21st? I'll then add my 2 responses. Option 1 is yes, and option 2 is no. I'm going to make this question not required. Also note that if your screen is too small, you can click on the double-headed arrow at the top to provide a bigger view. Let's add a new rating question. How would you rate last year's golf tournament? You can scroll through and select the appropriate level to rate on, 1 to 10, and you can also change the rating to numbers or stars. We will keep this as a required field. I'm going to ask one last text question. Do you have any feedback on how we can improve last year's golf tournament? I'm going to make this a long answer and required. If you're ready to share the form, you can select Share at the top. There is the option to allow anyone with the link or only people in your organization to respond. To share the form, you can either copy the link and paste it into an email, create a QR code, embed the code, or send through email. If you want to preview your form, click the preview link on the top menu. If you want to see what this looks like on mobile, click the mobile link at the top right. You'll see your questions and the Submit button at the bottom. To go back, you can click the back arrow. You can also apply a provided theme to the form. Just click the theme at the top and select the theme you want to use. Thanks for watching. We're 365 Technologies, an IT service provider in Winnipeg, Manitoba. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Visit us at 365tech.ca. Have a great day.